go to Afghanistan, followed by Albania, Armenia, and Bahrain.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished women leaders of the world. I come from a country that has lost a lot. A country where women's suffrage has been a non-issue to its politicians and to the world. The country where everyone in the world cherished an iconic young girl, Sharbat Gula's breathtakingly beautiful eyes, her green eyes on National Geographic's. But they failed to see the miseries she hid when she froze in time while posing for that picture. A country whose nightingale of a golden voice, Zarsanga, is still singing for uniting with her country from the slum life of her refugee camp. My country's women are still dying because of very basic healthcare issues that are long resolved in the rest of the world. Our Pashtun and Baluch mothers across the Duran line are still carrying pictures of their family members who have been illegally abducted by Pakistani security agencies. My country's president is doing a lot for women's inclusion in politics and businesses. But the business of women in power still remains an unbearable shock to the patriarchs. But today, more women work in the government than ever before in the history of our country. In our parliament, we are actively working on passing a violence against women's law and a law to define 18 years as the legal age of marriage. These laws will ensure that violence against women and child marriage will have criminal implications. Whether it's Faranaz Furotan and Pashtana Durrani from Afghanistan, or PTM Sana Ejaz Rangaluni and Nargis Afshin Khatak from Pakhtunkhwa, Afghan women are redefining the role of women in leadership in an unprecedented manner in an otherwise conservative society. My country is no longer going to be the graveyard of empires. Instead, it's going to be the fairy tale of a people whose men and women, from cricket grounds to robotics and technology, from art and cinema to sports and entrepreneurship, will change the fate of their motherland for good of their people and for the good of humanity. My country is Afghanistan. And like its men and women, it might have lost a lot, but its story is just about to begin. May peace prevail in my country and the rest of the world. God bless you all.